Hello everyone, for today's demonstration I'm going to show you how to install Firefox on Windows 10. So let's begin! I got a fresh copy of Windows 10. Like everyone who buys a new computer, they are trying to find applications to install on their computer, especially a second or third browser, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Microsoft Edge here, or we can type in Edge here, and this will show up at the very top of the search. So, so what we're gonna do is let me just close this. There we go. What we're gonna do is on the top we're gonna type on the URL www.mozilla.org and click enter. So we're gonna download the Firefox browser on this fresh copy of Windows 10. So we have a couple of options. We can download Firefox here on the top. We can download Firefox here as well. I believe when you click on the Firefox icon on the very top, it's going to prompt you here where it says Firefox browser for desktop. You have those three options. There might be other options, but for now, I'm showing you the three. It either shows you in the front, shows you at the top, or you just go here where it says Firefox, and it should be at the very top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on download Firefox, right? Give it a moment, right? Then we're gonna run it. You have two options. You can either run it or view as download. I'm gonna show you the view download, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the folder right here, and usually the folder is under downloads, correct? The other option is if you have the where it says to run, it would automatically run the application for you. So double click on Firefox installer. Right. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna minimize the Microsoft Edge browser. Right. And you see this little shield. Click on that and click on yes. All right. We just minimize this. There you go. This will take. It depends on your computer spec, but it should be a few minutes. There you go, and it's installed. So what we're gonna do? Oh, excuse me. I was about to double click and open it, but okay. So it just opens automatically. And this is how you install Firefox on Windows 10. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.